In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the @ symbol or @ in Outlook. Understanding how to use this feature can help streamline your communication effectively, especially when you want to grab someone's attention in the middle of an email. This quick guide, spanning just 5 minutes, will ensure you're confident and efficient in using this feature in your Outlook emails. Let's start by navigating to the Outlook login page. This is your first step in accessing this valuable tool. If you're not already familiar with how to get there, simply open your web browser and search for Outlook Login Microsoft 365. Alternatively, you can directly go to the Microsoft Outlook web address. Once you land on the login page, look for the sign in link. It's usually quite visible on the page. Click on this link and prepare to enter your login credentials. Remember, keeping your credentials secure is essential for protecting your information, so ensure you input this information on a trusted and secure network. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard, bustling with its array of functionalities and tools designed to streamline your email communication. This is where you compose, send, and receive your emails, essentially your email headquarters. Look for the mail option. It's usually located at the top or left-hand side of the screen. Click on it and it will direct you to your email interface where you'll carry out most of your communication tasks. Now, whether you're composing a new email or replying to an existing one, the process of using the @ symbol is incredibly straightforward. If you're starting a fresh email or replying, you'll begin by clicking the corresponding new message or reply button, generally located at the top of your mail interface. This action opens up a window where you'll draft your message. Here's where the magic happens with the @ symbol. In the body of your email, at any point where you wish to draw the attention of a particular recipient, simply type the @ symbol followed directly by the person's name. You do not need to include a space between the @ and the name as you begin typing. Outlook will intelligently recognize the context and suggest contacts from your address book. Select the intended recipient from the list of suggestions provided. The great aspect of this feature is not only does it help streamline communication by directing attention to important segments of your message, but it also automatically includes the selected person in the recipient line if they aren't already added. This can significantly enhance your workflow efficiency by ensuring the key players in your communication are actively engaged and notified. Now, several tips can enhance your effectiveness when using this feature. Firstly, ensure the contact you're mentioning is stored in your address book for seamless recognition by the Outlook system. This uncomplicated step can preemptively handle issues such as Outlook not picking up on the correct contact when using the @ feature. Secondly, the @ mention feature is an excellent way to highlight action items or questions to specific recipients. Embracing this practice can reduce back and forth emails, thereby elevating the clarity and efficiency of your communications. Lastly, remember the @ mention is still relatively new to some, so it may require a bit of getting used to for those unfamiliar. For team scenarios, introducing and explaining the benefit of this feature during team meetings or discussions can drastically improve the overall communication procedures within the organization. To wrap up, mastering the use of the @ symbol in Outlook can significantly boost your productivity by facilitating clear and directed communication within your emails. You're now equipped with the knowledge to incorporate this element artfully, ensuring your colleagues, team, or recipients are precisely and effectively communicated with. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to take full advantage of the powerful communication tools within Outlook. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. See you in the next video.